Are you tired of losing money in the stock market? Want to know the secrets to finding winning stocks? Look no further. In this video, we'll be diving into the stock selection method of Jim Cramer, one of the most well-known investors and financial analysts in the world. Cramer has a proven track record of picking winning stocks, and in this video, we'll show you how you can do the same. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and get ready to learn the secrets of finding profitable stocks with Jim Cramer's method. Let's get started. Jim Cramer is known for his ability to identify profitable investment opportunities in the stock market. So, what is his secret? One key aspect of Cramer's approach is his emphasis on finding companies with a strong competitive advantage. This means looking for businesses that are well-positioned to succeed in their respective industries, whether through a unique product offering, a strong brand, or other factors. Cramer also places a high importance on a company's management and leadership, as he believes that strong management is essential for long-term success. In addition to these qualitative considerations, Cramer also relies on both technical and fundamental analysis when selecting stocks. Technical analysis involves using past price and volume data to identify trends and make predictions about future performance. Fundamental analysis, on the other hand, involves evaluating a company's financial health and growth potential based on factors such as earnings, revenue, and assets. Cramer uses both approaches to get a well-rounded view of a stock's potential. It's also important to consider industry trends and macroeconomic factors when selecting stocks. Cramer looks for companies that are well-positioned to benefit from current and emerging trends in their industries, as well as those that are able to weather economic downturns. Finally, Cramer looks for companies with strong growth potential and financial health, as these are key indicators of a company's ability to generate profits for its shareholders. By following these principles, Cramer has been able to identify numerous winning stocks over the years. Some examples of stocks that he has recommended in the past include Apple, Amazon, and Google parent company Alphabet. All of these companies have gone on to be highly successful investments, demonstrating the effectiveness of Cramer's stock selection method. When it comes to selecting stocks, Jim Cramer believes that thorough research and due diligence are essential. This means taking the time to thoroughly evaluate a company's financial health, management team, industry position, and other relevant factors before making an investment. Cramer is known for spending hours each day researching and analyzing potential investment opportunities, and he encourages individual investors to do the same. One key aspect of Cramer's research process is staying up to date on the latest news and developments affecting the companies he is considering. This includes reading company earnings reports, press releases, and other relevant materials, as well as keeping an eye on industry trends and macroeconomic factors. Cramer also values face-to-face interaction with management teams and other industry experts, as these can provide valuable insights and help him get a better understanding of a company's operations and prospects. In addition to the research process itself, Cramer also stresses the importance of being disciplined and sticking to a well-thought-out investment strategy. This means avoiding the temptation to chase after hot stocks or make impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. By being methodical and disciplined in your approach to stock selection, you can increase your chances of finding profitable investment opportunities. Overall, Cramer's emphasis on research and due diligence highlights the importance of taking a long-term, disciplined approach to investing. By thoroughly evaluating companies and developing a clear investment strategy, you can increase your chances of finding winning stocks for your portfolio. If you want to learn more about Jim Cramer's stock selection method and get access to exclusive investment tips and strategies, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll be sharing more insights and lessons from famous investors like Cramer, so you can start building a profitable portfolio of your own. In addition to his emphasis on research and due diligence, Jim Cramer also makes use of both technical and fundamental analysis in his stock selection process. Technical analysis involves using past price and volume data to identify trends and make predictions about future performance. This can be a useful tool for identifying potential buying and selling opportunities, and Cramer frequently uses technical analysis in his own investment decisions. Fundamental analysis, on the other hand, involves evaluating a company's financial health and growth potential based on factors such as earnings, revenue, and assets. Cramer believes that a company's fundamental strength is key to long-term success, and he uses this approach to identify companies with strong growth potential and financial health. By combining both technical and fundamental analysis, Cramer is able to get a well-rounded view of a stock's potential and make informed investment decisions. It's worth noting that Cramer does not rely solely on technical or fundamental analysis, but rather uses both approaches in conjunction with his own research and due diligence. This helps him make informed, well-rounded investment decisions and identify profitable opportunities in the stock market. In addition to financial metrics, Jim Cramer also places a high emphasis on a company's management team when selecting stocks. Cramer believes that strong leadership is essential for long-term success, and he looks for companies with management teams that have a track record of driving growth and making sound strategic decisions. Cramer frequently interacts with management teams and industry experts in order to get a better understanding of a company's operations and prospects. He values face-to-face interactions and the opportunity to ask questions and get a sense of a company's leadership firsthand. By getting to know a company's management team and understanding their vision for the future, Cramer is able to make more informed investment decisions. In addition to evaluating a company's management team, Cramer also looks for companies with a clear strategic vision and a track record of execution. He believes that companies with a strong sense of purpose and the ability to execute on their plans are more likely to be successful in the long run. By focusing on companies with strong management and a clear strategic direction, Cramer is able to identify investment opportunities with the potential for long-term growth. One key aspect of Jim Cramer's stock selection process is his emphasis on finding companies with a strong competitive advantage. Cramer believes that companies that are well-positioned to succeed in their respective industries are more likely to be profitable investments. To identify companies with a competitive advantage, Cramer looks for businesses that have unique products or services, strong brands, or other factors that set them apart from their competitors. He also looks for companies that are able to generate strong profits and returns on investment, as these are indicators of a company's ability to succeed in its market. In addition to these qualitative considerations, Cramer also looks at a company's financials and growth potential. He looks for companies that are generating strong revenue and earnings growth, and that have the financial resources and flexibility to invest in their businesses and take advantage of new opportunities. By focusing on companies with a strong competitive advantage, Cramer is able to identify investment opportunities with the potential for long-term growth and profitability. This emphasis on finding companies with a unique value proposition and the ability to generate strong returns is a key component of Cramer's stock selection method. In addition to competitive advantage and management, Jim Cramer also places a strong emphasis on a company's growth potential and financial health when selecting stocks. Cramer believes that companies with strong growth prospects and financial stability are more likely to be profitable investments in the long run. To identify companies with strong growth potential, Cramer looks for businesses that are expanding their product offerings, entering new markets, or otherwise positioning themselves for long-term growth. He also looks for companies that are generating strong revenue and earnings growth, as these are indicators of a company's ability to succeed and generate profits for its shareholders. In addition to growth potential, Cramer also looks for companies with strong financial health. This includes evaluating a company's balance sheet, cash flow, and other financial metrics to ensure that it has the resources and stability to weather economic downturns and invest in its business. Cramer believes that companies with strong financials are more likely to be successful in the long run, and he looks for these attributes when selecting stocks. Overall, Cramer's emphasis on growth potential and financial health highlights the importance of finding companies that are well-positioned for long-term success. By focusing on these factors, you can increase your chances of finding winning stocks for your portfolio. In conclusion, Jim Cramer's stock selection method is all about finding companies with a strong competitive advantage, strong management teams, and strong growth potential and financial health. By following these principles and conducting thorough research and due diligence, you too can find profitable investment opportunities in the stock market. Remember, the key to successful investing is to take a long-term, disciplined approach. Don't get swayed by short-term market movements or chase after hot stocks. Instead, focus on finding well-rounded companies with the potential for long-term growth and profitability. If you want to learn more about Jim Cramer's stock selection method and get access to exclusive investment tips and strategies, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll be sharing more insights and lessons from famous investors like Cramer, so you can start building a profitable portfolio of your own. Thanks for watching.